guys, it's Gladys and I'm in Mammoth. I'm staying at the Alpenhof Lodge. This is the first floor, a standard 1 king bed, room 107. And it's old school or classic, as you could say. Key to open up the door. I'm gonna close this behind me. I wanna give you a quick room tour. And so here at Alpenhof, it's located at Mammoth Lakes, and it's literally across from the village, so it's a perfect location. And right when you walk in, I'll do a quick bathroom look, and you have the sink area right here, and like a closet space. There we go. Safe up top, ironing board. So perfect, out of the way. And like I said, here we go with some lighting. And then if you keep going in, this is the bathroom. It's a standard bathroom, very nice, clean. Tub shower combo. Got some hanging space here. I don't see a heater in the bathroom. Oh, yes I do, right up top. So you'll be nice and cozy if you turn that on. And then if I back out, you have some hooks here. You can hang some of your jackets, especially if you've been skiing, snowboarding, and you know, they're a little moist, wet, so they can dry off. But I'm really excited about this room. We have stayed here previously in a 2 queen bed suite with kitchen and living room area. And we've also stayed in just their standard 2 queen bed, and actually their standard 1 queen bed. And since our last stay, which was last year, they have remodeled. This is beautiful. They have upgraded. This is a king bed, so it looks like a brand new furniture in here and plenty of storage space. So all rooms come equipped with a coffee maker, so that's complimentary, and they do give you some bottles of water. The snacks are all us, so the room does not come with snacks. We just like to snack. Also with the drinks, we brought our own. But as you can see, plenty of storage there. You got this mini fridge here. Let me see if it's perfect. So you can stock it with your own things. And television, this is all brand new. So it's beautiful. And I love this. You have space for your shoes, boots, ski boots, snowboard boots. And got my skis leaning there. Full length mirror, more storage down there, and a seat to put your shoes. You have another nook closet here. Can slide in like we did our suitcases, so they're out of the way, with some additional storage shelves. And there's even additional space underneath that with a little cubby. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased. Alpenhof always delivers. It's a great location. It might not be the newest, but this is a game changer. It's even better. This right here is a room heater, so you'll be nice and cozy. And this is our view right outside. It's the parking lot. So you have plenty of parking. They do give you 1 car complimentary parking spot. And then if there is additional availability, you can pay for additional vehicles. So just an FYI, I would call and just ask. But like I said, it's a wonderful location. This is Alpenhof Lodge in Mammoth Lakes, right across from the village. And there's a gondola at the village, which will take you over to Canyon Lodge, and you can start your ski/snowboard day and start shredding. All right, thanks for joining me. Little panorama. Bye-bye.